Hello friends. So today I found super cute photo on Pinterest, and Pinterest is mine, I don't know, muse. I always found there people put so beautiful photos, but of course I couldn't find the credit because people are sharing this photo as their own, and it is very difficult to find who is actually take this photo. So I think we need to recreate this in watercolors, and I want you to show you, and if you like you can paint along with me. Just pause the video and take a rough sketch from my sketch, and you can paint with me. So we're using a very light pink color, like a blush pink or dusty pink, I don't know. And I first put this medium for watercolors on these dots on the boot because I want them to stay white. I'm using brush number 5, and now I'm mixing a little bit of super light brown with this pink because this part of the boot is a bit darker in my imagination. I don't know if it is on photo, I can't remember now because I painted this last week, and now I'm just putting voiceover. So this is a little child's like rain boots and rubber boots, and they have these white dots and they are pink, and they have a black bottom. I think this picture is so cute. You will see it is flowers in these boots, and I know these flowers on my language we call them gladiolas, but I don't think it is on your language the same, but maybe you will recognize this flower. So you please comment down below how you call this on English. This is where I just take a little bit of this black off with my brush and clean it on my towel paper. Now we first adding the yellow dots because that is middle of the flower. You just cut them around like you think your flower will look. Bit of fixing of these boots, a little bit of details around. Now I'm adding white colors around these dots, around these yellow dots, because middle of this flower is almost white, but I think it will be better if I put really white color. I don't know what you think about this kind of videos, but I love this easygoing, uh, I don't know, cozy videos where we can enjoy in music and a little bit chit chat about everything, about life. Now I'm a little bit of taking off this white because it's over my yellows. So now I'm adding pink. The flowers is almost oval shaped. So we will make this shape like an egg around, but not really round, just like dotting. We can cover this white must be a little bit visible. Tell me please in the comments, do you prefer faster videos or in real time? I always, when I look, I always like to paint along with the artist, and that's why I prefer these real-time videos. I don't like to pause or too much or to stop videos or to, I don't know, slow down, because then the voice is different also when you slow down the video. That's why I like to cut least as possible in my videos. Just dots few and there to make this white space more like it is full of flowers. And now we adding petals and leaves, and petals are very thick for that flower, and the leaves are like a saber. Like a knife. So first I'm adding green with much water in it, like a background for the stamps. And here I'm adding real stamps with the less water. And everything that I'm doing with my number 1 brush, and with not so much water because my paper is mixed media paper. You who look my videos already know that I'm practicing on this paper, and I am not really confident enough to paint on the expensive paper. So I'm saving this paper when I will have more confidence, and will I know that it won't be wasted. Now with a little bit of darker green, I'm adding details here and there for the leaves, and just loosely putting these leaves around the flowers. Now I'm mixing a little bit of black in my green because I want some grass and shadows around these boots. Even this picture, this photo, what I found, it was taken inside, and in the background you can see the floor and window, but I wanted to change this and make it like these boots are somewhere outside on the grass. And for that I'm using again my number 5 brush, round brush. Now I'm adding more water in this grass. Now I will use my number 1 brush and add more details on bouquets, bouquets in flowers which are in these boots. And I think this is a very cute photo and painting. It is not too complicated. It is, I think, very easy to paint, and you can try this. Now I'm painting grass around these boots with same brush and same color. Now I'm taking off my medium, watercolor medium from these dots when painting is dry, and I think I will add a bit of white on these dots. Little white watercolor. But your brush needs to be very clean for that, because you don't want to ruin this whiteness of dots. In the same time, I'm covering this gray around the dots, which I make with my pencil. So we are almost finished now, and I think we have a beautiful painting, or you can make a card from that. So you need just to leave this painting to dry, and thank you so much for watching. Leave a comment, leave a like, subscribe if you're not already. See you later. Bye.